AMP at present exchanges close $0. The AMA for the most part is right now at $0, a sort of enormous manner. AMP basically faces medium-term opposition at $0, a very exceptionally significant manner. AMP records especially descending development today, which really is very huge. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on some pressing issues. What fundamentally is essentially momentary cost expectation for AMP. For the most part is AMP a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on and in every way that really matters, enormous way. Be that as it may, prior to plunging most certainly sort of profound into the AMP specialized examination, certainly let us explicitly in a real sense discuss the ongoing economic situations, which quite is genuinely huge and in all things considered, significant way. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,36850,397,543 in a kind of in every practical sense, huge way. The sort of all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $47,516,158,315 or so they thought. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of large manner, which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%. Exceptionally further appearance how AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum most certainly has seen a value reduction of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time span, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere around 6.93 and as of now exchanging at 42 cents, exhibiting that the truly all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $47,516,158,315, which truly is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. Especially further appearance how the fundamentally complete exchanging volume generally remains at $47,516,158,315, which certainly truly is genuinely critical. These occasions generally show that the market certainly is going in a really descending heading for actually certainly present moment, exhibiting what most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%. By and large further appearance how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on in a significant manner. As of now, an especially broad quite bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so various elective digital forms of money. As Ethereum most certainly has seen a value diminishing of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours in a very large manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction most certainly are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly is genuinely critical incredibly. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers really become kind of more especially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any very certainly further in a kind of exceptionally enormous manner. Similarly, opposition in every way that really matters is a level at which vendors especially become move fundamentally in every practical sense, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth in a sort of huge manner in spite of prevalent thinking. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP generally is at $0, down 2.27% in every way that really matters. Recent hours and sort of in every practical sense has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, so which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%. Pretty further appearance how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, which for the most part is genuinely huge, in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 5,028,737.00 US dollars, while most certainly all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 USD, which especially most certainly is very huge. There by and large are practically 42,227,702,186 in a real sense are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which most certainly in every way that really matters is very huge. AMP value examination. AMP cost investigation for the 8th of May 2023 inside a day-to-day time span certainly made sense of beneath, exhibiting that right now, a for the most part broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM basically has seen a value reduction of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours. Or so they essentially thought, or so they thought. We utilize certainly relative strength index, moving kind of normal union and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving fundamentally normal and outstanding moving genuinely normal to for the most part break down the future development of the AMP. Or so they certainly in a real sense thought. While AMP's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. The exchange especially genuinely signal generally is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach in a huge way as opposed to prevalent thinking. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely huge. AMP financial backers need to in every practical sense sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day outline. Sort of additional appearance how following basically are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP fundamentally is at $0, down 2.27% in the especially genuinely beyond 24 hours and truly has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, so which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%. Further appearance how AMP support and opposition levels and so on. Genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, which is genuinely huge. The main help level for AMP in every way that really matters is at $0. The by and large second one sort of is at $0, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in a very fundamentally huge manner in an unobtrusive manner. While taking about opposition, the AMP fundamentally has R1 and R2 at $0, which explicitly is very huge. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 45 and fundamentally is attempting to break out of the nonpartisanship zone in a pretty especially significant manner. Ends AMP in every practical sense is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to suggest that the digital money in a real sense is in a problematic circumstance that can't exactly be redressed, especially sort of